Playing the game How Many will help you match up numbers in different patterns. The goal of the game is to rearrange the tiles so that the dots at the top and the bottom of each tile match. To begin, click the Start button in the bottom right corner. Your board will flip up with tiles that have blue dots on the top and a white oval with blue dots on the bottom. The white ovals are the answers that need to be unscrambled and paired up with the same number of dots. Let's take this tile for example. The 2 dots on the top is not equal to the 3 dots on the bottom. The correct answer is another 2 dots. Look for an oval with the 2 dots, then click, drag, and drop it onto the first tile. If the answer is correct, the tile will turn green. If it's not, the panel will reset and you will have to start over with a fresh set of tiles. Once all the tiles are green, that means you finished the game and will move on to the next. After you complete 8 games, you move on to the next round where tiles will start to get a little trickier.
Instead of just dots, the tiles will start showing numbers, other shapes, and even the shapes in the form of math equations. Solve these just like the others by dragging up a white oval answer onto the tile.
We hope you have fun playing How Many. If you get stuck or want to find out the number of stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!